Swaminarayan friends, as you all know that rains are over in Rajasthan as well as all over India. If the rains are already stopped, you are seeing that the leaves of the adeniums are turning yellow, especially the lower leaves are turning yellow. In this video we will discuss what's the reason behind this and how can we cure the turning of the yellow leaves in adenium. So friends, first of all, if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you like the videos, please share, like and comment as much as possible. So friends, we will start the video. So as we are in the starting of the video, discuss that the leaves are turning yellow, especially the lower leaves. Lower leaves means the leaves first started from the cutex are turning yellow, but the upper leaves are healthy and flowering is also there. So what's the reason behind this is that actually this is due to the washout of nutrients from the pot. Actually due to excess rain, the media is in small quantity and the media we are using is well drained media. Due to heavy rain, the nutrients in the media are washed out. There is a shortage of nutrients in adenium, especially phosphorus and nitrogen and potash. So the deficiency symptoms of nitrogen and phosphorus is the lower leaves are turning yellow. So to revive our plant from this problem or cure from this problem, we have to spray NPK 19-19-19 and nitrogen, phosphorus, potash 19-19-19, 1 gram per liter of water we can spray on our plants. And if you have DAP, diammonium phosphate, you can give at 5 to 10 granules per plant according to pot size or plant size. For small pots we have to apply 5 granules, and for 8 inches pot or 10 inches pot we have to apply 10 granules of DAP. The DAP will revive the shortage of phosphorus as well as nitrogen in the plant. Instead of using chemicals, it's best to use organic fertilizers like prom or organic potash, which is delivered from molasses. It is the best source of potash as well as prom is best source of phosphorus. So applying organic fertilizer prom and potash, we can get rid of these types of yellow leaves in our adeniums. So please friend, if you like the video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.